Okay, so we're back on it. I've come for a wild camp, this time up in Yorkshire Dales, and I went to a little spot called Birkdale Tarn. I've just arrived, so I've got a bit of a trek over that way behind me, and we'll see how it goes. Right, I started my climb away from where I parked the car by the river. The scenery around here is just breathtaking. It's typical Dales stuff. It's just so nice. The weather's going to be a bit breezy, so I'm glad I'm not having to worry about I'm not going to have to worry about midges. I don't think. It's a bit breezy, so that's good. It's good. I'll just give you a quick scan round and show you the scenery. Really, it's really good. So down that direction is where the car is. It's so beautiful here. I mean, you look down there, it's absolute class. And that's where I'm heading, that way. That'll take me to a place called Raven Seat. That you'll probably know, Raven Seat. You may have seen it on TV. It's where that farmer and his wife, I think they call her the Yorkshire Shepherdess or something like that. Yorkshire sheep farmer. I think they start a new series on TV next week. But yeah, they live at Raven Seat. I think they're quite popular. Ben Fogle goes up there a lot. And probably won't bump into anybody today. Well, I'm going to make my way to Raven Seat, then I'm going to cut back along myself until I'm level with Birkdale Tarn, and then it's another climb up to the top of the hill, where I should manage to get to the tarn. But it's really pleasant. It's not a long walk. It's only a couple of miles, but I'm taking my time. I'm just taking it all in. Oh, look at birds down there. The wildlife up here is amazing. I bet there's some down there in that gully, but I'm not going that way. Right, I'm going to crack on. Down there in the bottom of the valley, that's Raven Seat. That's where that family live. The Owen family, that's it. Yorkshire Shepherdess. We are. As you can see, it's a bit remote. It's a bit boggy getting up here, but it is what it is. It's very peaceful. Right, I'll crack on and I'll go and find somewhere to pitch up. made it up to the tarn. I've had a good walk round the whole perimeter of it. It's really boggy. I mean, it is boggy. At one point I fell down and got my pack on, and I'm just above the knee in the bog, but obviously I managed to get out of it. So finding a spot was a bit difficult, but I managed to get one, not as level as I'd want it to be, but it's alright. You can see it behind me there. Get out of the picture. Yeah, so it's alright. It's a beautiful remote spot. I mean, I imagine if you're a bird watcher, this would be a heaven for you. It really would. Wind's starting to pick up, but it's not going to get bad. It's just going to be a stiff breeze, I think, but it's always better to be safe. It's my wild camping hip flask. I'll just show it you. It was given to me by a couple I know who live in Hawaii. Means it's got a lot of sentimental value in this. I like it, so it comes camping with me every time I go. But this is really a nice spot. I was panicking a bit when I couldn't find anywhere, when I couldn't find a decent pitch. But this is all right. Wow, look at the birds. This is all right. It's a nice pitch. It's soft. It's not level. It's a bit bumpy, but it's going to be all right. It's going to be fine. God, the views are just amazing, and the peace and quiet and the tranquility is just what you need when you're going out. I've had to zip up and put my little grab jacket on, get a bit chilly. Still in my flip-flops though. But, yeah, I think I'm gonna have a swim in the morning, just to freshen me up for that hike back, because I'm going across and down. And I think it's going to be really, really boggy, but whatever, you know, it'll be all right. Be all right in the night, as they say. Anyway, I'll catch you later. It's starting to look quite nice now. Now the sun's dropping behind the clouds. Might get a decent sunset actually. But in the meantime, I'm got some scran on my Trangia. Steak, potatoes, onions and mushrooms, and it tastes absolutely bob on. I'm going to enjoy this now. I've had my dinner. What a feast that was. It was unbelievable. A bit of steak. Excuse me. Yeah, a bit of steak and some onions and mushrooms and potatoes. It was lovely, really good. That Trangia is brilliant for cooking. Highly recommend it. So what I'm going to do now is just have a walk, just walk it off for a bit, just to see if I can take any photographs, do a bit of videoing. Avoid the bogs because I've only got my flip-flops on. Yeah, it's turned out better than what I thought actually. I think I was a bit disheartened when I got here. because it's all boggy. It's a big bog. I mean, and I found a pitch, and I found this little bit of rocky beach that I'm on. The tent is back there. You can see it there. Doesn't look very well pitched and not straight, but it is what it is. Yeah, it's alright, it's good. I'd recommend coming up here. I wasn't going to do, but I do now. You shouldn't have a change of heart, don't you? Anyway, I'm going to crack on. Catch you later. I've had a pleasant walk round the tarn. Did a bit of time lapse with the Osmo Pocket. Took some shots of the sun going down. Now I'm going to retire to the tent for a while, watch a film. I'm hoping that the cloud will clear so I can get some shots of the stars, but it doesn't look promising. But you never know. I'll set the alarm anyway. Catch you later. Morning. Slept really well thanks to my daughter's pillow that she made me. It's been a game changer for me, that has. I've just got up and there was somebody came outside my tent. Went, hello? I said, alright mate, and he was a gamekeeper telling me that they strictly don't allow camping on here. And I said, well, that's not entirely true, mate. He says, oh, I'm a gamekeeper, I know what was going on. I said, because I've got permission to camp here. You see, what I did, I phoned up the estate office in Gunnerside, told them that I would come in here, and they were fine by it. Obviously, they didn't let him know. But he says, oh, you know, it sounds a bit fishy to me. I says, I don't really give a beat. I says, because it's a fact. He says, well, you can't prove it. I says, yeah, actually I can. And I gave him the number that I phoned. I says, phone them, phone number. He says, that's gamekeeper, that's the main office in Richmond. I says, well, there you go then. So we went off. He kind of lightened up a bit once I'd given him the information, and off he went. But he said that if anybody's thinking of coming here, he did say that they come up here a lot because they have to prepare for shoots. The last place you want to be is here when they're shooting. So if you do want to come up, it might be worth giving him a ring. If you want the number, just send me a message. Anyway, breakfast time now. I'm going to get some breakfast and have a steady stroll back to the car. I didn't get out of bed until 7:30, which is unusual for me. But I got up at 2 because I was going to have a look at some, see if the night sky were like, but the whole place was just shrouded in mist, so I just went back to bed. Anyway, breakfast time. I'll catch you later. Right, that's another one done. It was good, that. I really enjoyed that. The gamekeeper's gone now, he left happy enough. I don't know what he'd have done if I'd have not had permission, but there's not a lot they can do really. But I've left my spot clean and tidy, so he's got nothing to whinge about. He did say that people come up here and leave loads of rubbish. So yeah, I'll just flip you around and have a look. There's my pitch. There's absolutely nothing there. see it anyway. But that's it. I'm going to make my way back to the car now and then have a nice steady drive home. And get cleaned up and have a shower. I didn't go for a swim. I tested the water, but I didn't have a decent towel or anything to dry me off, so maybe next time. That's another one done. I'm back at the car now. Open up. And then make my way home. It's been a good one. I hope you enjoy the video. And I hope it inspires you to come up to the Yorkshire Dales as well, because it's such a beautiful place. Anyway, take care everybody, stay safe.